Welcome to Francis Collins School.
Okay, hello everyone. Today, we continue talking about the present simple, okay? But today we're going to review some link words and connectors of sequence. What's that? The link words. Look at here. Link words. Those are used to link um, sentences, paragraphs, and sections, like it says here. They help to link sentences, paragraph, and section to link. Okay, and also it is good use will make an easy to follow the writing. Okay, let's see an example of what is a linking word. Okay, here we have one linking word. Yes, uh we use and. This is a linking word, yeah? A linking word. And join similar ideas. It's to link similar ideas, yes? Like, look at, I like sleeping and I like Wednesdays. I like sleeping and I like Wednesdays. And yes? Okay? And if I want to write more than one idea or more than two, I just add, for example, here. Uh, if I want to write more than two ideas, I like sleeping, comma, I like to play, and I like Wednesday. Okay, if there are more than two ideas, yes. But if we have two, we just write and I like sleeping and I like Wednesdays. Okay, this is another linking word. Yes, we have or gives different options. Okay, give us different options, one and two options. Okay, let's read the example. Okay, vamos a leer el ejemplo. It says we watch TV or we listen to CDs. We watch TV or we listen to CDs. Two options, yes, two options. You have to choose one, yes, or, okay, in Spanish. Then here we have another linking word. This is bad, yeah, bad. Contrast different ideas, okay. Let's read the example, okay? It says, he likes hot dogs, but he doesn't like ketchup. Yes? A positive idea and a negative idea. Yes? One positive and one negative. He likes hot dogs, but he doesn't like ketchup. Yes? Okay. Here is another common link word. Yes? We have here the word because. Because give a reason for an idea. Give a reason for an idea. A reason. Give us a reason. Yes, a reason. Like the example. Let's read the example. Yes. I am here because I love you. I'm here because I love you. Estoy aquí porque te amo, because I love you. Yes, porque, ¿ya? No van a confundir this because, que significa porque, with this. Okay. We use why que significa por qué. But, para preguntas, okay, for questions. And this is the answer of that. Yes? Now, let's see some connectors of sequence. Yes? You use them to show the order in which things happen. Yes? Just we use it to know the order, yes, of the things that happen. Yes? For example, when you talk about your routine, yes? Let's see which are the connectors of sequence. Yes, we have here first, first, yes. We have then and next, then, que significa luego, next, siguiente, ¿no? After, we have here after, as soon as, later, before, and finally. When you end, okay? When you are ending to tell your routine, maybe that's the sequence. Yes, the sequence of your routine. I could say, look at this example. For example, when I get up, first, 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 I have breakfast and brush my teeth. Mira, look at here. Yes, this is a linking word. Yes, I have breakfast and brush my teeth. Then I get dressed and finally, finally, I go to school. Okay, first, what does he do? First, ¿qué es lo primero que hace? He has breakfast, yes? He has breakfast and brush his teeth, yes? Yes? Then, luego, he gets dressed and finally, y finalmente, ¿qué hace? Go to school. Yes, he goes to school. Yes, we have first, then, and finally. Those are some of the connectors that we are going to use. Okay. Let's see now. Look at here. You have to copy this in your notebook. Yes, okay, notebook. You have to copy this in your notebook. These connectors of sequence. Yes, and also this for just for examples. Okay. Here we have then and next. Yes, you know what's the meaning. Okay, you're going to copy this in your notebook. Yes, this is a notebook. Here it says notebook. Yes, and here also this chart is going to be in your notebook. But Miss, why? It's too much. That is for you. You um, it's for you to learn more sequence connector. Okay. Yes, you have to copy this in your notebook. Yes. Okay, we are going to copy one, only 1, 2, and 3. Yes, only 1, 2, and 3. Here we have more sequence connectors. Yes, we have here first, primero, second, segundo, third, tercero, then, next, after, as soon as, later, before, finally, meanwhile, in conclusion, subsequently, firstly, in the first place, first of all, to start with, to begin, at this point, to summarize, a final point, eventually, in the end, furthermore, further, in addition, lastly, to conclude. Yes, those are some sequence connectors, but those we're going to use it more. This one first, second, third, then next. We're going to use those and also this one. We're going to use more those for a while. Okay. Yes. Meanwhile, we're going to use them. Okay. Okay, boys and girls, that was all for today. Yes, you just know Okay, don't forget that this is your homework. You have to copy this in your notebook, and this in your notebook, and this also this in your notebook. Yes.